All right, welcome to Performance Unlimited. What we have for you today on the engine stand happens to be our new 418 engine package. This engine happens to feature the Eagle forged rotating assembly, comp cam hydraulic roller camshaft. We added to this engine package the Edelbrock aluminum cylinder heads, the air gap intake manifold. Newest feature to this engine happens to be we're using a tie bar style roller rocker design, absolutely bulletproof. This engine also features the Edelbrock carburetor with the electric choke, MSD distributor, Taylor ignition wires. It's a bulletproof piece. We've done a few test runs here already, and we've produced right around 515 horsepower, which we'll show you that in a minute. Absolutely fabulous. Torque values, I think we're in the neighborhood of 510 at 3,500 mark. It's a beautiful, beautiful high torque, high horsepower monster. Good for any of your trucks, classic muscle cars as far as Mustangs, Fairleys and stuff like that. Well, there you have it. Let's do a dyno run and see how you guys like it.
Well, there you have it. Looks like we just made somewhere around 515 horsepower on our new 418 package. It's pretty good. Any questions? Just call 1-800-267-3940. And thanks again.